ask this question. In other words, when the elections were over in 2023, and the governor was sworn in, and the speaker was elected, you had a list presented to you on who are the bona fide signatories and who can actually run your financials.
Yes.
Am I correct to say that what you're saying is there was no other correspondence either from court or anywhere stopping you from transacting with any faction or with anybody in Nyamira, the assumption being that the officials who are running the financials of the county were actually legitimate and you didn't have to worry about it?
That is correct, Honorable Chair. Until such time when this doubt came in, I wrote back to the county treasury and said, do we still deal with these people? Or because there were letters, sporadic letters coming from here and here telling us, you know, I'm now this, I'm now that. So we asked that they confirm who the bona fide office holders are.
And in that case, just for us to record this on Hansard, the people who are then supposed to transact was Mr. Okero. Could you name the names that you have? Mr. Okero and Mr. Nyamura.
Yes.
But so that I don't lose it, Madam Comptroller, you say that you communicated to the CEC.
Yes.
On issues, county assembly, who do you normally communicate with? Is it still the CEC, or are there occasions when you communicate to the clerk?
All issues to do with finances are covered by the PFM Act. And under the PFM Act, I deal with the county treasury. The head of the county treasury is the CECM Finance. If we communicate with the county assembly, it is not to do with money. All issues, money, have one route. Yes.
Maybe one more question is that, Madam COP,
yes,
is that now that you have already said that the issue in Nyamira is highly contentious, do you feel that we need to save that money until when the situation will be solved, or you still want to continue and pay the money to, you know, this kind of conflicting groups? Because these are the same people who will be placed in that fund.
Through the chair, that is not an answer I can give you now, because nothing stops me from continuing to disburse funds as long as the regulations governing the withdrawal of funds have been followed. So until such time that those regulations have been flouted, I have nothing to stop me from disbursing the funds. So maybe what I can say here is that that answer can come from another office, but probably not mine.
Just an hypothesis.